Welcome to Nairobi's Maasai Market, a vibrant hub of culture and creativity. As you step into this bustling market, your senses are immediately awakened by the rich tapestry of sounds, colors, and aromas. The stalls overflow with a kaleidoscope of freshly cut fruits, fragrant spices, and mouth-watering local dishes that invite you to taste the essence of Kenya. Here, you can find artisans showcasing their intricate beadwork, beautifully crafted wood sculptures, and traditional textiles, each piece telling its own story. The market is a lively gathering spot where beautiful women dressed in colorful traditional attire engage with visitors, sharing their culture and heritage. As you stroll through the rows of stalls, you can't help but admire the iconic backdrop of Nairobi's skyline, standing in contrast to the vibrant local architecture. Temples and historical landmarks peek through the market, reminding you of the rich history that surrounds this vibrant space. The Maasai Market is not just a place to shop, it's an experience that connects you to the heart of Kenyan culture, making it a must-visit destination for every traveler seeking authenticity and excitement in their journey.